Confused about health insurance? Let's simplify. Top-up versus super top-up policies. The difference is crucial. Super top-up offers broader coverage at a lower cost, preserving your no-claim bonus.
A top-up policy kicks in after your base policy's limit is reached, while a super top-up covers cumulative expenses exceeding a deductible. The key difference is that a top-up policy covers single hospitalization costs exceeding a certain threshold, while a super top-up policy covers the total expenses in a policy year once the threshold is crossed. When it comes to choosing between a top-up health insurance policy and a super top-up health insurance policy, the key difference lies in how they kick in. A top-up policy covers a single claim above a certain threshold, while a super top-up policy aggregates all claims in a policy year. If you want broader coverage for multiple claims, a super top-up policy might be the way to go. It can offer more comprehensive protection at a potentially lower cost. So, weigh your needs and budget carefully to make the best choice for your health coverage.
Quick tips. Assess health history, lifestyle, budget, and future needs. Always check if your preferred hospitals are in the network. Combining base and super top-up policies ensures robust, cost-effective coverage. Evaluate your needs, choose wisely, and always seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.